my friends, this is Tabassum. Good afternoon. English is the key to success of our life. How are you? I am very great. Today I shall talk about future indefinite tense. কোনো কাজ ভবিষ্যতে করাকে ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স বলে। ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের গঠন প্রণালী। Subject plus shall oblique will plus move verb present form plus extension. Example: I shall eat, we shall do it. Future indefinite tense এর নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের গঠন প্রণালী। Subject plus shall oblique will plus not plus move verb present form plus extension. I shall not eat, we shall not do it. Future indefinite tense interrogative sentence গঠন প্রণালী। Will oblique shall plus subject plus move verb present form plus extension plus question mark. Example: will you eat, will you do it. Future indefinite tense WH question sentence গঠন প্রণালী। বাক্যের শুরুতে WH word বসে plus will oblique shall plus subject plus move verb present form plus extension plus question mark. Example: why will you eat? Why will you do it? Future indefinite tense and negative interrogative sentence এর গঠন প্রণালী। Won't oblique shall plus subject plus move verb present form plus extension plus question mark. Won't he sleep? Won't they go to picnic? Future indefinite tense and WH question negative interrogative sentence এর গঠন প্রণালী। WH word plus won't oblique shall plus subject plus move verb present form plus extension plus question mark. Example: why won't they go to picnic? That's all. Thank you very much to listen to me. We keep patient. Bye.